My work is in jails and prisons, and a lot of harmful social science research has taken place with that particular population, and it's happened over decades. I'm Dr. Nneka Jones Tapia. I'm a clinical psychologist and the managing director of justice initiatives at Chicago Beyond. I really see the breakdown in trust as multifaceted. One of the ways that I've personally experienced it is through ownership. Many researchers have come into Black communities in particular, and they've taken the message without supporting the messenger. They've owned the message and co-opted the message and made it their own. I think for a social science research entity to really broker a strong relationship with community, it's going to take time. They're really going to need to enter in at the entry level, if you will, and just sit with us, hear us, and understand us. And then from there, making sure what they hear and what they see is represented in the work that comes out, and maintaining that close relationship with community. It can't just be a one and done. It has to be an ongoing relationship that is intentionally nurtured, and then where it's a partnership where we can have honest dialogue about where things are going well, but also where they're going awry. But I do believe that there is something important that social science research can add, and that's backing. Having the research behind the work that we are doing will only help to elevate the messages that we are sending and our partners are sending in a very real way. So we can do this work with or without them. It's just going to be better if we can do it with them. But they have to be willing to come to the table and not just hear the message and take it, but really nurture the messengers.